Good morning. We are continuing the lesson Physiology and Sports, and the topic is physiological changes due to aging and the role of physical activities in maintaining functional fitness in aged population. Aging, what is aging? Aging and its types. Aging is the natural process of the body organs, and organ systems growing older and decline in structure and efficiency. This we can understand like since childhood we are growing older. That's a natural process. Everyone has to grow older. And while we are growing older, so there the changes will arrive in our body. Various changes will be there in our body. Physically, psychologically and socially. Various changes will be there. So this is termed as aging. So aging is the natural process. Everyone has to grow older, and these changes will definitely we have to face. So this is the aging. Aging, I think it is clear because aging is the natural process of body organs, the organs of the body, and organ systems like digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, reproductive system, excretory system, digestive system, various systems. These systems growing older and decline in structure and efficiency. Their efficiency is also becomes poor. That's why old age people have uh, not that much efficiency like the younger one, like the young people. So this is the aging. So aging is the natural process, but there are ways to understand aging. First is early aging, natural aging, and late aging. Early aging. Aging is the natural process, definitely. But when the aging comes early in life, means when someone becomes older in early age, the symptoms of aging are visible in early age. Means before the age, the person has the symptoms of the aging, so that is known as early aging. This happens sometimes the young one in adulthood age the people looks like older due to lack of food, lack of exercise, lack of uh, various nutrients in their food. So matters are there, various causes are there, but the persons are looking older, especially poverty in we can see poor peoples. So aging, early aging means when the person looks older in early age, before the age, before the natural process of the aging, the person is getting older. That is early aging. Second is natural aging. Natural aging is that is the natural process of the aging when the person is growing older according to the age naturally. So natural aging is there that everyone has to face. But early aging is the problem, but natural aging is the natural process. Late aging is also, that is not natural. This also, some persons delay the aging, means sometimes persons are above 50 or 60 and they look younger. Their body systems, body structure is like young people. So it means that is late aging. They have delayed the aging. Aging is delayed. So there are various efforts needed for late aging, and there are various things we lack while we are facing the early aging. And natural aging is the process when the aging comes naturally. So this now we can understand what is aging. Aging means growing older. Growing older is the natural process because everyone has to grow old. So everyone has to be old. As the age is increasing, so early aging means, then again I am reminding here, when the person looks older in early age, before the age. The person of is 20, 25-year old and he or she looks like 35-year old or whatever it is, more than his or her genuine age. That is early aging. Natural aging, when the person is growing older and he or she is looking like his or her genuine age. Late aging, sometimes the persons is highly health conscious and they are doing such a activities, such kind of things which are reducing their age, means age cannot be reduced but they looks like younger. So this is desire of everyone that they want to look younger always. So that is known as late aging. When the peoples are doing efforts for hiding their age, late aging, due, and that should be naturally. So hiding their age means not using the physical things like superficial things, which can only make up and all these things, but it should be from the systems and organs. The efficiency should be there. Organs should be effective. System should be effective. So late aging, this is the person has delayed their aging. They have delayed the aging. They have overcome the aging. So this is about the aging. So physiological changes due to aging we will see now. Changes in muscle size and strength. Muscle size and strength of muscle decreases where we are growing older. So whenever the aging affect us, so we will see these symptoms: changes in muscle size and strength. We will see changes in metabolism and body composition. Metabolic rate will be decreased. Changes in bone density, bones become weaker. Changes in respiratory system becomes weaker. Changes in cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system, the heart gets shrink, becomes smaller in size. Blood supply by the heart is very less in amount. Changes in nervous system becomes weaker than the young person. Changes in gastrointestinal system, the digestive system, in which various changes arises, enzymes formation, the powerful enzymes are not being produced by the body. Changes in urinary systems, removing of the toxicants from the body becomes slower. Changes in flexibility is reduced as the person is growing older. Changes in senses, changes in vision is not correct as in younger person. Changes in hearing, changes in taste, change in smell. So all the senses becomes poor and weaker. Muscle size we will discuss, then this is simply we have discussed. Muscle size and strength. As an individual gets older, there is a decline in muscle size. It is believed that this decline is due to, in part, to reduce amount of protein as well as decline in the number and size of muscle fiber. As people get old, there is also a parallel decrease in the muscular strength. Definitely, when we are growing older, the strength of muscles and the size of muscles will not remain same. Accumulation of the body fat. Accumulation of body fat with advancing age, there is a general trend to increase the accumulation of body fat. First of all, with advancing age, there is a decrease in one's ability to release or mobilize stored fatty acids from adipose tissues for energy. So, accumulation of body fat with the advanced age will be decreased. There will be less fat. That's why if you see older people, so then there is very less fat in the body, and especially adipose tissues which are the sign of energy, they are very less. What are the adipose tissues? Let's see. The adipose tissues are there. Adipose tissues, these tissues commonly known as body fat and found all over the body. It can be found under the skin, subcutaneous fat, packed around internal organs, that is visceral fat, between muscles, within bone marrow, and in breast tissues. So, adipose tissues means that is the essential fat. So, within the bone marrow and breast tissues. These tissues, along with fat, contains numerous nerve cells and blood vessels to store and release energy. So, adipose tissues are known for producing energy to the body. The structure, we can say this is the structure of adipose tissues. They found everywhere, all around over the body. Another change we will see, then physiological changes due to aging. Respiratory system. Respiratory system, there is good evidence to indicate that pulmonary function is impaired with advancing age. The uptake and exchange of oxygen reduced. The amount of oxygen is mixed with the blood and the carbon dioxide is diffused in the lungs is reduced. So respiratory efficiency is also reduced because respiratory system gives oxygen to the blood and takes carbon dioxide from the blood. So this function is also reduced. Cardiovascular system, a number of studies have shown that as individual gets older, their overall heart size becomes smaller. The left ventricular activity especially decreased in size as a result of reduced activity and the reduced physical demand of increased age. As we are growing older, demands of the body also get reduced. So that's why the systems, the organs are also not getting sufficient demand from the body. That's why they are also producing less amount of the product, and that's why they reduced in size and the efficiency is also reduced. So this is about the cardiovascular system. Nervous system, we can see. The nervous system is responsible for reactions and movement. The brain's weight, network of the nerves and blood flow decreases with the age, due to which the reaction time and movement time also slow down. So nervous system becomes weaker. That's why there are poor decisions, poor reaction ability, and poor memory and poor movement can be seen in the aged people. Bone density. Bone density decreases with the increasing age, which means that elderly people, especially those over 40 year of the age, are much more prone to bone injury than young people whose bones have reached full growth and maturity. So bone density decrease. That's why there are variously we can see uh, various time we can see. Then there are the people in older people get bone problems, joint problems, bone fracture, and muscular pain. These type of problems we can see mostly because these have the bones become weaker. Bone density decreased as the age is increasing, and the persons are under aging. So various changes can be seen when the persons are facing aging. So aging may be natural aging may be early aging may be late aging. So whatever the form of aging, but aging is when the person grow older. Everyone want to be look younger, everyone want to be younger, but natural process will be there, but we can delay it. We cannot stop the aging, we can delay it by various health conscious and by doing the activities and things which are favorable for health. By these things we can delay the aging, but we cannot stop it. So physical activity and functional fitness of aged population, the persons who are aged, so they have reduced the loss of mass, muscle mass is reduced, helps in maintain bone density. Physical activities can help to maintain their bone density, slow down brain aging. Physical activities helps in older peoples and aged population to slow down their brain aging. Brain aging means when the persons lose memory, when the persons lose its mental capabilities, release the risk of age related diseases. There are various age related diseases like I was discussing in previous slide: joint pain, back pain, headache, digestive problems, respiratory problems, heart problems, and hormonal problems. Various problems are there. They are aged persons are very prone to these diseases. So these risk can be reduced. Improve muscular strength. Muscular strength can be maintained and it can be improved in the older age. Improved means it can be maintained in a good level in that age by doing various physical activities. So this is all about the aging and how the aging affect our life and what are the changes, physiological changes in our life. There are various physical changes also. Physical changes like wrinkles in skin glow, because in younger age we look very beautiful, but as we are growing older we look little, the skin lose its glow, and various changes arise physically, physiologically, and psychologically. So when the aging occurs, so then changes will arise: physical, physiological, and psychologically. So every kind of changes will be there, but we can delay it by doing various physical activities, by taking good nutrition, by avoiding toxicants. Especially the aging occurs due to the oxidants in the body. When the oxidants increase, oxidants are there, uh, these are the elements which are not taking in part in any biochemical reactions. So these type of elements are increased in the body when they are not taking part in any reaction. So then these are known as the toxicants. They must be removed from the body. When they increase, they will cause aging. So this is all about the aging topic. We will discuss about the next topic, sports injury, in next video.